Welcome to Time is on Your Side, the masterclass interview series on how to find more time and make the best use of it. My name is Stephanie Reh. I am the accountability evangelist and your host for this series. Today, I am proud to feature Helene Segura. Time management fixer Helene Segura reveals her mind-bending framework for decreasing interruptions, distractions, and lost time so that companies can spend more time generating profit. But I think we do have to play with those mind games. And I know one of the things that you mentioned is mind management. So maybe you can talk a little bit more about that, because I believe when we talk about time management, as you know, I mean, we can't manage time. Everyone has the same amount of time. So it's you're managing yourself through the time that you have. So what does your mind do with that?
Well, my philosophy that I espouse is that time management truly is all about mind management, because it is your brain that's going to decide how you're going to use every single second of every minute of every day. Your brain is going to decide whether or not you procrastinate, and if so, for how long. Your brain is going to decide whether or not you're going to throw a tantrum, and if so, for how long. So when you make a better connection with your brain, this thing that we have sitting right up here, and you become more present and realize what you're doing with your time, then that helps you be in far more control of your time. Instead of wondering where your time has gone, you're instead doing the opposite, and you're going to tell your time where to go. You'll be in a lot more control because you're making those decisions about your time. And I totally agree about time management, because you can't manage those hands on the clock. What you're managing instead is your decision on the actions you're going to take during that time. So whenever I use the term time management, it's because we're a term we're all familiar with.
Right.
But like you said, we're not actually managing our time. We are managing what's going on up here, because this is the key tool to productivity, our brains.